Hello student, welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are fine and staying at your home. Let's start with the computer class. In this video, we are going to study lesson number 5. Let's type in Notepad. In previous lecture, we will learn about input and output devices. In this lesson, we will learn parts of a notepad window and how to format and edit text using the editor. First, we will learn what is Notepad. Notepad is a software mainly used for typing or editing a letter or any text document. It works on Windows operating system software. Notepad is a basic text editor. We can use it to create simple documents. It has been part of MS Windows for a very long time. Notepad is used to create a new file, save it for the future, and open and edit an existing file on the computer. Do you know how to find the notepad on your computer? Let's find out. Click on Start button, choose All Programs and click on Accessories. Select the Notepad option, click on Notepad. The Notepad window will appear. Have you seen a Notepad Guinea? You know, there is a notepad in your computer too. Want to know more about it? Come along. Oh, I thought you were talking about the one that you can write on with a pencil or pen. I have already learned typing on it. Clico, please teach me how to make changes in the text on a notepad. Notepad is a very useful application software that you can use to write or type simple text. You can type Notepad instead of writing in the notebook. It has unlimited pages. Moreover, in case you write something wrong, you do not need to write all over again. You can make the corrections in the same page. Making corrections in the text is known as text editing. Notepad is a basic text editing program available in Windows accessories. It is the most commonly used program to view or edit text files. Now we will learn how to open Notepad window. We can open the Notepad text editor using many methods. Let's try the other methods of opening the Notepad program on Windows PC. Method first, press Window key plus R and type Notepad. Now press the OK button. Method second, press Start button and type Notepad in the search bar. Select the Notepad program from the result. Here is the Notepad window that opens. Parts of a Notepad window. Menu bar. It is placed below the title bar. It shows 5 menus under which you get the various commands. The menu bar has the following options: File, Edit, Format, View and Help. File menu. This menu related to file operation. It is used to create a new file Open an existing file, save and print the file, and exit from Notepad. Edit menu. This option is used to edit the text. It has options like cut, copy, paste, delete, etc. Format menu. This option is used to changing the font, style of text and word wrap only. View menu. This option is used for showing the status bar. It shows the status of the text. Help menu. This menu provides help of any topic of Notepad. Title bar. Title bar is the topmost bar which shows the title name. It also displays control button to its right corner. Title bar shows the file name and application name. Minimize button. Minimize button is used to minimize the window. Maximize button. Maximize button is used to maximize the window. Close button. Close button is used to close the window. Scroll bar. Scroll bar is a vertical or horizontal bar commonly on the far right or bottom of a window that allows you to move the window viewing area up, down, left or right. Border. Work area. In this space, you type the text. Work area is the blank space where we type text.